Hey everybody! So I wanted to do a quick little video on the power wash. It's the Dawn power wash. You can get it at any store, grocery store, whatever. I got mine at my local grocery store, but I figured I needed to do one, so I would do a quick video. I already have my cup done. It's all epoxied and everything and ready for the power wash. I'm going to use flat black. Flat paints dry a lot faster than any other paint, so I try to use those if I'm doing the Dawn soap method or the power wash. I also use it when I'm prepping my cups just so I can work with it faster. So it's just a little tidbit of information for you. It is the Rust-Oleum 2X and it's the flat black. So I already have it shooken and ready to go. So this is an interesting cup, and I did it this way so that it would show underneath the power wash. There is going to be a vinyl saying on it, so I'm going to make sure that I power wash enough room to put the vinyl on it and then go from there. So what I do is I make sure that everything is ready. I have my bucket of water. I'm going to rinse it in the bucket of water once I've done the power wash and sprayed it. So I'm going to go ahead and go. You kind of want to move fast with the soap so that you don't have any running. So I'm going to do some big spot right here. And then I'm just going to kind of spin the cup and spray it. Make sure you get the butt. There's no rhyme or reason to how I do mine. I just spray it, but I make sure I left a big spot. Next, you're going to go on and you're going to coat with your spray paint, whether it's black or whatever color. Sorry about my dog in the background. They like to be involved with mommy's stuff. So I'm going to make sure that I have a good coverage on it. Make sure I get the butt. Once it's that, I'm going to spin it for a minute, and then I'm going to dunk it. I'm going to twist it in the water, and then I'm going to pull it up, dump out my water, and there it is. So I can see that I didn't get very much on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry up a little bit. I'm going to pat off the water, and then I'm going to do it again. You can do it as many times as you want. There's really no right way or wrong way. It's just in what you feel works for you. So that's what I'm going to do. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. But it's just a quick little tutorial to show you guys how to do it. So that is how you power wash. Let me know if you guys want to see anything. Otherwise, I will post another video soon. Bye!